Collectors are paying staggering prices for firearms that disappeared from production years ago. Some discontinued models have become so desirable that clean examples sell for tens of thousands of dollars, while other revived classics are flying off dealer shelves almost as quickly as they arrive. Today, we're looking at 9 legendary firearms that refuse to fade away. Whether they return through modern manufacturing, improved engineering, or renewed consumer demand, these guns prove that a great design never truly dies. From iconic revolvers and classic lever actions to military-inspired rifles and oversized hand cannons, these are the firearms making remarkable comebacks in 2026. Let's get started. At number 7 sits the Marlin 336. For generations, this lever-action rifle has been one of America's favorite deer rifles. Since its introduction in 1948, countless hunters have relied on the 336 chambered in .30-30 Winchester. The platform faced serious challenges after Remington acquired Marlin in 2007. Quality control problems damaged the rifle's reputation and left many shooters wondering if the design's best days were behind it. Then Ruger purchased Marlin and relaunched the 336 in 2022. The modern version features CNC machined steel receivers, cold hammer-forged barrels, and traditional walnut stocks. Capacity remains 6 rounds loaded through a side loading gate, and the familiar buckhorn rear sight and brass bead front sight preserve the rifle's classic handling. Pros: fast follow-up shots, excellent brush country hunting rifle, proven .30-30 performance, strong American heritage, Ruger quality manufacturing. Cons: limited magazine capacity, less reach than many modern cartridges, moderately heavy. Traditional sights may challenge some shooters. Lever action manual of arms requires practice. Pricing typically begins around $700. Taking the 6th spot is the Smith & Wesson Model 19, known as the Combat Magnum. The Model 19 became one of the most respected police revolvers in America during the 1950s through 1980s. Built on the K-frame, it delivered .357 Magnum power without the bulk of larger revolvers. When production ended in 1999, values climbed steadily, especially for early pinned and recessed examples. In 2019, Smith & Wesson brought the Model 19 back. The modern version incorporates a 2-piece barrel design, updated metallurgy, and strengthened internals that address some of the durability concerns older revolvers occasionally encountered. Available in 2.5-inch and 4 1/4-inch configurations, it remains faithful to the original while benefiting from modern improvements. Pros: excellent balance of power and portability, smooth double-action trigger, proven revolver reliability, compatible with both .357 Magnum and .38. Special: stronger than many original examples. Cons: 6-round capacity, heavier than polymer pistols, slower reloads, premium pricing. Expect prices around $950. Number 5 belongs to the legendary Browning High Power. Originally completed after John Browning's death, the High Power became one of the most influential military pistols of the 20th century. Its 13-round magazine was revolutionary for its time, and its slim profile remains appealing today. Production ended in 2018, leaving many enthusiasts convinced the platform was gone forever. Then Springfield Armory introduced the SA-35 in 2021, followed by FN's updated High Power in 2022. The Springfield version removed the controversial magazine disconnect, improved the trigger, and added modern 3-dot sights while preserving the pistol's classic single-action feel. Pros: excellent single-action trigger, slim ergonomics, strong magazine capacity for a traditional design, natural pointing characteristics, historic significance. Cons: single action operation, fewer modern safety features, smaller aftermarket, than Glock platforms, requires manual safety use, more expensive than many caliber handguns. Pricing generally starts around $700. At number 4 is the Colt Python. From 1955 until 2005, the Python represented the pinnacle of American revolver craftsmanship. Its deep bluing, exceptional trigger, and outstanding accuracy made it one of the most coveted wheel guns ever produced. When Colt discontinued production, prices skyrocketed. Clean examples routinely sold for $3,000 to $5,000, and many owners became reluctant to shoot them. Everything changed in 2020 when Colt reintroduced the Python. The modern version uses stainless steel construction, advanced CNC machining, and strengthened internal components while preserving the classic ventilated rib and full underlug barrel profile. Pros: outstanding trigger quality, corrosion-resistant stainless steel construction, exceptional accuracy, legendary appearance, improved durability. Cons: premium pricing, limited availability, heavy for concealed carry. Best performance often comes with premium ammunition. Collectors still tend to baby them. Most examples sell for roughly $1,500. Taking third place is the Ruger 10/22 Classic Carbine. Since 1964, this rifle has introduced millions of Americans to shooting. Although Ruger never stopped producing the platform, the traditional walnut stock carbine became harder to find as tactical variants dominated the market. In 2020, Ruger refocused attention on the classic version, reminding shooters why the original became so successful. Featuring an 18.5-inch barrel, reliable rotary magazine, and nearly endless aftermarket support, the 1022 remains one of the most versatile rimfire rifles available. Pros: affordable, extensive customization options, reliable rotary magazine, lightweight handling, excellent beginner rifle. Cons: factory trigger can be improved, traditional sights are dated by modern standards, wood stocks require care, limited hunting power, modifications can become expensive. Prices generally start around $300. The runner-up position goes to Henry's modern lever-action lineup. For years, Henry built beautiful rifles but resisted adding a side-loading gate, a feature many traditional lever gun enthusiasts demanded. That changed in 2019 when Henry introduced side-loading gate models such as the Big Boy Steel and Long Ranger. With steel receivers, smooth actions, excellent fit and finish, and chamberings ranging from .357 Magnum to .45-70 Government, Henry rapidly became one of the strongest competitors in the lever-action market. Pros: outstanding craftsmanship, side-loading convenience, extremely smooth actions, wide caliber selection, American-made quality. Cons: higher prices than budget alternatives, slightly heavier than some competitors, limited aftermarket support, traditional sight systems, requires proper maintenance. Most models begin around $800 and climb from there. Claiming the top spot is the Desert Eagle. Few firearms are more recognizable. Chambered in cartridges typically associated with revolvers, the Desert Eagle became a pop culture icon through movies, television, and video games. During periods when production shifted overseas, quality concerns and changing consumer preferences pushed the pistol toward novelty status. Many people viewed it more as a curiosity than a serious firearm. Then production returned to the United States in 2018. Modern Desert Eagles are manufactured in Minnesota using improved machining and quality control standards. Available in .357 Magnum, .44 Magnum, and .50 AE. They remain among the most powerful production semi-automatic pistols in the world. Pros: incredible power, gas-operated system helps manage recoil. Impressive accuracy, high-quality American manufacturing, strong collector appeal. Cons: extremely large and heavy, expensive ammunition. Limited practical applications, holster options can be challenging, require specific loads for optimal reliability, expect pricing around $1,800. These 9 firearms prove that great designs rarely disappear forever. Whether it's the Ithaca 37, the Colt Python, the Marlin 336, or the Desert Eagle, each of these guns found a way to return stronger than before. Some came back through improved manufacturing. Others survived because shooters refused to let them fade away. Either way, these firearms demonstrate that tradition and innovation can coexist remarkably well. Which comeback surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future firearm reviews and industry updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.